Traveling between June and December 2025, whether you're chasing the summer sun, strolling through fall foliage, or sipping mulled wine at a Christmas market, these are the Amazon travel items that will change how you pack, explore, and survive the journey. And trust me, you'll regret not having them. Hey travelers, if you're prepping for a summer vacation, a cozy fall road trip, or a winter wonderland escape, this video is about to become your packing Bible. These Amazon travel finds are not just practical, they're smart, space-saving, and honestly kind of genius. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Compression packing cubes with built-in zippers. First up, compression packing cubes. And no, these are not the basic ones you've seen before. These come with a second zipper that literally compresses your clothes down, freeing up room in your bag like magic. You could fit 10 to 14 days worth of outfits in just a carry-on. Perfect if you're traveling through multiple climates or hate paying for checked luggage. They also keep your clothes organized by day, activity, or destination. This one purchase can cut your packing stress in half. Number 2. Portable MiniFan with misting function. Heading somewhere hot? A portable misting fan is an absolute lifesaver. Whether you're sweating it out in Paris during a heat wave or waiting hours in line at Disney World, this fan fits in your bag, blows a cooling breeze, and sprays a fine mist on your face. It's the closest thing to having a personal AC, and when the summer heat feels unbearable, this thing becomes your best friend. Number 3. Universal travel adapter with USB-C fast charging. One adapter, every country, all your tech. If you're going international, especially on multi-country trips, this universal adapter is a no-brainer. It works in over 150 countries, has USB-A and USB-C ports, and can charge multiple devices at once. Your phone, tablet, camera, Kindle, and even your laptop, all handled. No more fighting for outlets or forgetting the right plug type. Just pack one and you're done. Number 4. Bluetooth sleep headphones. Imagine this. You're on a long-haul flight trying to sleep, and the guy behind you is snoring like a tractor. Enter Bluetooth sleep headphones. They're soft, comfy, double as a headband or eye mask, and block out noise beautifully. Play white noise, meditation music, or your favorite podcast, and you're in your own peaceful bubble. No cords, no earbuds digging into your ears, just pure comfort on the go. Number 5. Packable rain jacket or windbreaker. Fall trips are gorgeous, but the weather? Not always. A packable rain jacket is a total essential. It's super light, folds into its own pocket, and disappears into your day bag until you need it. Whether you're exploring Tokyo in October or Amsterdam in November, sudden rain won't ruin your day. Plus, modern ones come with breathable fabrics and hidden hoods so you stay dry and stylish. Number 6. Collapsible travel kettle. This one is so underrated. A collapsible travel kettle means hot drinks or meals anytime, anywhere. Craving tea at midnight in your hotel? Need boiling water for ramen in a cabin? Done. It folds flat, fits in your luggage, and works internationally. Plus, in places where hygiene or water access is uncertain, boiling your own water can be a game changer. Number 7. Anti-theft backpack with USB charging port. Travel safety just got stylish. This backpack has hidden zippers, RFID blocking compartments for passports and cards, and even a built-in USB charging port so you can juice up on the move. Whether you're commuting in Tokyo, wandering the streets of Prague, or navigating a crowded NYC subway, you can carry with confidence. Number 8. Filtered collapsible water bottle. You never realize how hard it is to find safe drinking water until you're thirsty and stuck. This filtered bottle not only cleans your water, but it also collapses down when empty to save precious space. Ideal for airport refills, bus rides, hikes, and international destinations where tap water isn't always trustworthy. Number 9. Smartphone gimbal or stabilizer. Want that buttery smooth vacation footage you see on Instagram? A foldable gimbal keeps your videos from shaking like a roller coaster ride. Whether you're filming the Eiffel Tower or snowy Christmas lights, this tool makes your phone footage look professional. It even has tripod mode for selfies and time lapses. Total upgrade for your content. Number 10. Travel laundry kit. This is for the smart packers. A tiny laundry kit lets you wash clothes in your hotel sink. no laundromats, no overpriced hotel service. Detergent sheets are mess-free, the sink stopper works anywhere, and the travel line lets you air dry fast. Especially handy for long trips or minimalist travelers who want to rewear without reeking. Number 11. USB rechargeable hand warmers. Cold hands? No thanks. These rechargeable hand warmers are compact, reusable, and warm up fast. Ideal for December markets in Berlin, ski trips, or chilly plane cabins. Some even double as power banks, so if your phone battery dies in the cold, you've got backup. Number 12. Luggage Tracker. Lost luggage is still a thing in 2025, and it sucks. An AirTag or tile lets you track your bag in real time through your phone. You'll know where it is before the airline does. For under $30, that kind of peace of mind? Last but definitely not least, a customizable digital travel planner. Forget messy notebooks or crumpled printouts. Load one of these onto your iPad or tablet, and you've got all your bookings, confirmation numbers, budgets, maps, and daily plans in one sleek place. It's functional and beautiful, basically, a Type A traveler's dream. All of these game-changing items are linked for you down in the description, so don't forget to check them out. If you found this helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite must-have travel item for 2025. Stay safe, pack smart, and I'll see you in the skies.